Hi guys, it's Jennifer. I know I have been gone for so long. It's just been very crazy in my personal life with work and all of that, so I haven't really had time to sit down and film and all of that, but I wanted to get back into filming, and what better way than to start off with my new Foxy Fix planner. So I did Foxy Fix did have a sale on the sugar leather a few weeks ago, back in June. I ordered mine on June 12th, and it is July 12th actually today. So I got mine in about a month or so. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what I got, and I just love this box. It's so pretty. Yeah, I wish I could keep it. But anyways, this is what you see when you open the box. I just received it today, so I haven't really dug in or anything here, but I thought I would go ahead and share. So the first thing is you do get 2 of their business cards, which is pretty standard, I'm assuming, in their packaging, since that's usually what I see when people haul Foxy Fixes. And then normally also something that's normal is getting a leather sample. Now this is the sugar mochi, which I actually do have a TN in this leather. I have a number 4 sugar mochi TN planner. So this leather is very pretty. I love the pink. Mochi is just one of I don't know what I'm saying. Mochi is just a favorite leather color all around. So yeah. So anyways, so like I said, they did have a sale on the sugar leather, so that is pretty, what I got. So it comes with a dust bag, which usually they do, and I picked up the number 2 sugar blueberry color, which is just like this blue color, and I'm obsessed with it. I got a blueberry sample when I got my Lush Black Beauty, and I fell in love with it, and I knew I wanted a planner in this leather color. So like I said, this is the blueberry color. It is the number 2, which is equivalent to a pocket size, and I did get light pink stitching. You can't really tell, but it is a light pink stitching. I didn't want to just get it plain. And then I did get a blue elastic, which is the cobalt color, and I just thought that this matched perfectly, and it just kind of blends into the planner, which is great. I did get a rose gold fox and pip bow embossed in the front, which I love. I didn't get anything on the spine, and everything looks pretty good as far as the stitching goes. And then on the inside, I do get a compact. I don't use more than 4 inserts. It is a little bit tight, just it kind of scrunches up a bit, but not much that it bugs me. With the inserts, I'm sure it'll look fine. I did get the secretarial pockets, and then I did get a card slot in the front pocket, and then they always do come with an extra jump band in case you want to add more inserts. And I'm just obsessed with this. I am very happy with my purchase, and I can see why you become obsessed buying TN planners. The next one on my list is a ballerina slipper, and that is in the Lush leather, and it's like a light pink color, and I do want that one, or the snow. I don't know yet, but that's next on my list, but that won't be probably for another couple months. But yeah, I can't wait to set this up, and I'm super excited, and I thought I would just share with you guys. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will be back with some more videos. Bye.